Hey, what's up YouTube? Your boy Caliente out in the garage. In this video, I'm fixing to install the first accessory that I picked up for my Honda Goldwing 2021 DCT model. The cup holder is called the big ass drink holder. I apologize for using that language, but that is the name of the drink holder. I picked this up online. It was made by Goldwing. It's called the big ass drink holder. So in this video, I will install it on my 2021 Honda Goldwing DCT model. It's always good to have a drink holder on your motorcycle so you can hydrate when making your rides. So stay tuned to this video so we can get this drink holder installed. Let's get started. Let's open it up. Look at the contents. Comes with some screws and spacers, perch mount. This is the chrome kit, and the cup holder, and it also comes with directions. We have the chrome finish with the black rubber neoprene net, the right perch mount, and the included spacers and screws. Goldwing. First thing I'm going to do is remove this cover that covers the perch mount, and you can remove it with your fingers. It's just a piece of plastic, real thin plastic, that actually covers both screws. You have two screws. I will use my 5mm hex key bit to remove the bolts from the perch mount. I want to do one at a time. I don't want to take it all the way off. I'm going to do one at a time. So I'm going to start with the top bolt. It's actually in there pretty tight. Flip it around where the screws can actually drop inside the slots. Now you can install this thing backwards like I just did. So when installing the perch mount, make sure the ball is facing the rider. It probably wouldn't make that big of a difference, but I like things to be perfect. For my installation, I'm gonna slide the perch mount all the way down. Snap it on like so. Be careful not to cross thread the adjustment screw. This would be my Yeti cup, my 30 ounce. On the top is a 4mm that you can adjust if the drink holder is blocking your buttons. So I'm gonna unloosen counterclockwise. Just kind of move the drink. Just kind of slide it over. So now it doesn't actually block the buttons on your right handlebar. So just adjust it to where you want it to fit. Okay. So this is going to conclude the video of me installing the big ass drink holder on the 2021 DCT from Goldwing. I like the way everything turned out. I will include at the bottom of the description where you guys can pick up this big ass drink holder for the 2018 up to 2021 Honda Goldwing. It also holds the 20 ounce in a smaller Contigo. It's a little bit loose, but it will hold it. So now I can carry my big 30 ounce Yeti with me, and my buttons are not even blocked. So if you guys like this video, be sure to click that like button. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Chris, and I just installed the chrome big ass drink holder by Goldwing, and I will talk to you guys later. See ya.